If you are not prepping for Father's Day, you are missing out. Mother's Day and Father's Day are two of the most profitable holidays for print-on-demand sellers. And if you want to capitalize on them, but you haven't started listing for them, then you are possibly behind. But no worries. In today's video, we are going to cover the top products, and they actually differ for Mother's Day and Father's Day, so you can get ahead of them. We still have a lot of time before Father's Day, though Mother's Day is quickly approaching. So for those, you want to get those listed ASAP and then move on to Father's Day so you can get behind the trend. And stay tuned, because for each of these products, we're going to go into some top tips that I have to position yourself out from the competition. And to do our research today, we are using the Profit Tree, both their product finder and their Etsy radar, which works within Etsy itself. And this is the lifetime plan. If you want to get this yourself, it is linked in the description below. And the lifetime plan allows you to access everything that we're accessing today for a one-time fee of $67 instead of paying a monthly subscription like most Etsy tools. So when doing our research today, what we are looking for is products that have multiple listings selling this product. So it's not just one person making all the sales in one single listing for this product. We want a type of product that many sellers are getting bestsellers in. And the first one that I noticed when typing in mom or even looking at the keyword Mother's Day is one that you'll see constantly come up is jewelry. We have this one here tagged Mother's Day, and we can see that this is selling 1,400 times a month, has made over $4.5 million in revenue, and in the last 24 hours has been added to over 300 carts. And if we continue scrolling down, we're going to see so many of these. We have this one, tiny 3D initial heart. We have this custom heart birth necklace. We have this family name. We have this one down here, dainty birth necklace. And a lot of these you'll also realize are highly customized. People can add names, they can add birth dates, they can add custom flowers. And if you want to create your own version of these, Printify recently launched their engraved jewelry line. So if you go to printify.com, you can look up for jewelry. I just typed in jewel to be lazy, but you can see there are tons of engraved different types of necklaces. And if you start looking through some of the ones that are selling on Etsy, you'll find that quite a few of these match up and are probably being sold through Printify, because each of these allow personalized engraving so that you can make these highly customized for Mother's Day. And what I love about these is the pricing. We have this beautiful heart necklace one, which is new, which you can engrave on one side, maybe a special message to the mom, maybe just the names of their kids. And this one starts at $12.16 if you have Printify Premium. This one's $11, $12, $12. These are extremely fair pricing, especially when we mention that you can have it custom engraved. The next product I repeatedly see come up when I go through the best sellers for products that are listed with a Mother's Day tag are sweatshirts. So if we scroll down this one, we have this one, a Mama Bear sweatshirt. And if we keep going, you're going to see a bunch of other sweatshirts that are among the best sellers for this holiday. Like this one here, this custom embroidered mama and grandma sweatshirt. This one has sold 244 times in the last month and is making close to $12,000 in revenue every single month. Scrolling down a little bit further, we have this custom embroidered one. This one is selling 200 times a month and is also tagged with Mother's Day. And this one specifically says in my sourdough era, but because it's personalized, people can put in whatever they want. One thing you might notice with these sweatshirts is typically they're offering something a little bit more than what everyone else is offering. For example, the first two allowed you to print on the sleeves. In fact, this one is both embroidered and allows you to embroider on the sleeves with custom names. So it's a little bit more extra work when someone makes a purchase, because you have to go in and add this customization, but that's what's helping them stick out from the competition. And then this one down here, this one is a lot more customized. They can fully change the text on the front, but it's also embroidered, which a lot of people don't offer, but is a higher perceived value for a lot of buyers. And another thing that you might notice for a lot of these is they're not over designed, especially when offering embroidery. People don't want crazy designs on the front of their sweatshirt. They actually typically say mama, mommy, mother, something across the top, and then a little bit of customization either below it or on the sleeve. So when trying to design for these Mother's Day products or just sweatshirts in general, a lot of times using a simpler design is going to help. And PS, you can also make these using printify.com. They offer, which is usually the bestseller in sweatshirts, is this Gildan 18,000. PS, this is my bestseller in my store. And if you scroll down, you can do DTF printing, or they also have the option for embroidery. And scrolling down even further, there are multiple different print providers that also allow you to do the sleeve printing. The next product I'm repeatedly seeing among the top bestsellers for Mother's Day that is making multiple people different bestsellers is mugs. We have this mug right here, which allows people to add in these different names, maybe all of their different kids' names. And this one here is selling 369 times a month, making the seller around $5,000 a month. And you can see here on Etsy exactly what it looks like. People can change the number of hands. They can add the personalization of all the names. And a lot of people might see the $6.33 and think, wow, that is way too cheap for a mug. But if you actually open the item, that $6 is for the price of a coaster and not actually the mug. And the mugs can go up to $24. And these are also all offered as options on Printify. The different ones they were offering just a plain mug, which is $4.15 with Printify. And then they also were offering the accent mugs, which have different colors. And there are a bunch of different mug options in here, depending on what you want to sell. There's some really cool ones that change colors depending on how hot the mug is, but tons of different options in here for you to offer to your customers. And if I just keep scrolling through the product finder here, again, under the Mother's Day tag, I start to see a lot of different styles of mugs making and ranking above the best-selling products for Mother's Day. We have another one here that looks similar to the last one that we saw, a different floral one with different hands in there. We have this custom message Mother's Day gift mug. We have one down here, which is a first Mother's Day Nana mug. And honestly, I'd say mugs are one of the most overlooked print-on-demand products. They're easy to list, easy to design for. They sell very, very well, yet a lot of people don't ever think of even listing them. One honorable mention for another product that I repeatedly am seeing, and it's actually new. I don't know if I've actually realized this product or taken too much note of it before doing my research today, but one of the top products that I'm seeing for Mother's Day are custom plant pots. We have these two bestsellers here, Grandma's Garden Gift, where people can add in custom names of grandchildren or of kids because they also have Mom's Garden. We have this one here, a personalized vase, Mother's Day vase, in which they can upload a photo. And we have this one here, unique gifts for grandma or for Mother's Day, which is almost the same, just a different style of vase. It's more of a jug, but is being advertised as a vase. And this one has same thing, the garden and a bunch of different names for grandchildren and kids along with different flowers. So these ones I wanted to bring up because I've seen them multiple times when doing my research for best-selling products for Mother's Day. They're not available through Printify, so you'll have to do your own research to find your own supplier for these, but it could be worth the extra effort because these are starting to do so well for people. Now moving on to Father's Day, because for Father's Day, you have a lot more time. So if you've kind of missed the bandwagon for Mother's Day, even though the biggest Mother's Day selling period hasn't happened, it's going to happen probably very soon. People are, especially children, are last minute shoppers quite often. I have not done my Mother's Day shopping yet either, but for those of you who want to get ahead of the holiday, then perhaps you just want to skip Mother's Day and go right into listing for Father's Day. And if that is your plan, then the top selling product that I'm seeing for Father's Day are hats and personalized hats or dad caps. We have this personalized hat where people can add in whatever text they want, but it is being advertised as a Father's Day product, and it is doing very well for this seller, selling 900 times a month and bringing in just shy of $400,000 over its lifetime. And in the last 24 hours, it has been viewed over 800 times, and that's only going to go up as we get closer and closer to Father's Day. And then going through this list of top selling products that are using the keyword Father's Day, we have multiple different types of hats. We have this one here, another custom text embroidered hat. Scrolling down, we see this one, another personalized cap. This one isn't a corduroy one. This one seems to be a slightly different version or a different hat. We have this one here, which is same thing, a personalized text one, but this one is further targeted towards just dads instead of the general public. So this one's a personalized dad embroidered hat where people can still go ahead and change the text, but again, it's just more keyword targeted. And this one is selling around 80 times a month right now. And again, that's only going to go up as we get closer and closer to Father's Day. And the good news is that there's tons of ways for you to stick out from the competition with hats because Printify offers so many different versions of hats. We have different bucket hats. We have trucker hats. We've got denim hats. We've got the classic dad hat. We've got hunting hats or camouflage hats, distressed. We have a leather patch ones. We have different types of trucker ones. We have a baseball cap. We have different trucker caps. We have corduroy caps. Just keep going. This is probably one of the most versatile products that Printify has because there are so many different versions of hats that you can offer depending on maybe what type of sub niche in dads you want to reach. And similar to sweatshirts, because these are embroidered quite a bit of the time and you have very limited print space for these hats, the ones that are doing really well are extremely simple. They're actually just text. So if you don't want to over design, or maybe you don't have the eye for design, create these products by just using text. Well, for Mother's Day, we did see a lot of shirts selling. A lot of the best sellers that were ranking higher than t-shirts were sweatshirts. But in the dad niche, we actually see t-shirts selling a lot more than sweatshirts. Like this one. This is among the best sellers, and this one is called a Princess Security shirt. It's double-sided. Scrolling down, we have this one. We have I Am Your Baby and I Am Your Father, a matching t-shirt and onesie. We have these two best sellers here. We have this Disney goofy one. I would avoid Disney, guys, but we have this custom Princess Security t-shirt. Scrolling down, another I Am Your Baby. We have, there we go, this one, which is a comfort colors, just grandpa or dad shirt. We have this one, which is a pizza where the dad is 3/4 of the pizza and then a baby is a little slice of the pizza. So also a matching kind of product of a shirt to a onesie or a baby t-shirt. We have this one here, this golf dad comfort color shirt. So if you are wondering if maybe for dads, you should be selling t-shirts or sweatshirts, it seems like t-shirts are going to be much more profitable for this niche versus Mother's Day. You might want to offer more sweatshirts. Another product we repeatedly see come up is mugs again. Again, back to what I think is quite an overlooked print-on-demand product. Still, yes, lots of people offer them, but a lot of people don't. And so if we look at this one here, we have this custom name one. This is more of a camping style mug, but we see a bunch of other ones in here, like this one. Also more of a different style of mug, but we see this one come up again. We actually saw this one for Mother's Day, so they're using a tag for both Mother's and Father's Day, but this one is also selling really well, which is just a custom name, or you could put custom dad, or you could put mom in here. We have this one here, which is a photo, and then someone can put the custom message on the back. And if you just go to Etsy and type in a dad mug, Father's Day mug, you're gonna see tons with different popular now tags, and it's actually hard to see. I hate that Etsy recently changed it so it doesn't have a background to their tags, so they're much harder to see, but a bunch of these have the bestseller tags and the popular now tags, and they are different dads or Father's Day mugs, and a bunch of these options are available on Printify. Some other honorable mentions that I'm seeing for Father's Day doing really well, we have things like cutting boards. I've seen some candles, some engraved whiskey glasses, but honestly, when I'm doing my research for Father's Day products, the number one by far that just keeps coming up is hats. I've already mentioned hats before, but I just want to bring them up again just to show and highlight how much these are selling for Father's Day. And if you are targeting Father's Day, then I would highly recommend testing some hats in your store as well. This is not to say, no, you can't make sales in Mother's Day with t-shirts. You can't make sales selling sweatshirts for dads for Father's Day. In fact, both of those are highly selling products and can do well for both of those as well. But for the majority of bestsellers, these are the top products for each of these holidays that I'm seeing for 2026. And for each of them, no matter the product, no matter if it was Mother's Day or Father's Day, the thing that is consistently getting people to become bestsellers is high customization, allowing people to put in kids' names and able to put their Father's Day names or their father's names or their grandpa's names. Something that is customizable will majorly help you stick out from the rest of the competition. Let me know in the comments below what products you're selling for these holidays. And if you want a full print-on-demand tutorial to learn how to sell these using Etsy and Printify, I'm going to link up my 2026 full print-on-demand tutorial / mini course for you guys that you guys can go ahead and watch. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.